welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to organize, or should I say reorganize, this messy linen closet of ours. As you can see, it has gotten totally and completely out of control. I did have an organization system in place prior to, but you can see we have all just thrown things in here. It's just a mess. So I decided to come up with a new organization system for this linen closet that also holds a lot of our medication and our spillage of extra items that we have. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you are a returning IAMTEEJAAY subscriber, thank you so much. I love you for sticking around with me. So let's just start to purge. I'm going to purge this entire closet. I'm going to take everything out. This time I can get rid of a lot of old washcloths and towels that we no longer use, expired medication, like just get rid of everything. So here we have a completely empty closet. You can see that it's large, so I just wanted to come up with a new system. So I went to my local Dollar Tree and I wanted to see what they had, and they did have some things. So this is what I came up with. Here is my new organization system for this closet. I have 6 hard plastic bins on the 2 top shelves. Those are large. Then I have 8 medium-sized plastic bins on the middle 2 shelves, and then on the very bottom 2 shelves we decided to go with 3 collapsible bins on one shelf and then 3 collapsible bins on the very bottom. So that's 6 in total. It came out perfect. Everything fit in here perfectly. So let's get down to the reveal. What do you guys think? I am so happy with how it turned out. After purging, you guys, like all of our medications, it was time to get rid of those. It's time to go out and purchase some new things, but what we had left all fit. Everything has a place. It looks amazing. And now the question of the day is, can my family keep it this way? And prayerfully we can. But now you can see everything, you can find everything. It looks cleaner, it looks much neater, and I did everything with stuff from the Dollar Tree. So the very bottom, I have we have a few different irons. Don't ask me why, but we do. I have some toilet paper down there, some automatic air fresheners, and also a lot of our plug-ins I have down on that very bottom shelf. And then as we move up, I have extra lotions and what else is in there? Starch and cleaning sprays and extra shampoo and conditioners. Then the third shelf moving up, I just have our toothpaste and mouthwash and extra this and extra that. We have a bin with some extra soaps, and then this next shelf is where all of our medications would go, over-the-counter medications. And then we have our face towels, our hand towels, and our body towels. So after purging, this is what we had left. Everything else, you guys, was old, shredded. You know how it's time to move on and purchase new things. So it's time to get new cloths and washcloths and towels and things like that. But I'll be filling these 3 empty bins here with Tylenol, Motrin, Dayquil, NyQuil, all of that mommy type stuff. And then here, I was mentioning to you guys earlier, here are some soaps and toothpaste and sunblock and all that good stuff. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick organization video of our linen closet. If you haven't subscribed, again, please hit the subscribe button. Like, share, comment. If you're returning, I love you so much for sticking around with me. I will see you beautiful people on my next video. Bye.